Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Friday, January 7th. Investors on Wall Street and around the world are focused on the December employment report, released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Optimism about the U.S. labor market has been growing since Wednesday, when ADP said that 297,000 private sector jobs were created last month, the biggest jump on record. Check back with us after the opening bell for all the market reaction to the numbers.
On the corporate front, Borders Group is likely to jump at the open after the Wall Street Journal reported that the bookstore operator is in talks about restructuring its balance sheets. Earlier, Borders said it was unable to pay some of its vendors, but now claims it has no plans to file for bankruptcy. One of the day's big stock decliners is likely to be Liz Claiborne. Those shares tumbled nearly 17% in after-hours trading after the company said its fourth quarter financial results will miss previous targets. The company blames several factors, including bad weather in Europe. Morgan Stanley is weighing in on several other apparel retailers. It upgraded Nordstrom and Collective Brands to overweight and downgraded Kohl's, the Jones Group, and JCPenney.
Keep an eye on shares of KB Home today. The home builder reported fourth quarter profit and revenue numbers that were down from last year's numbers, but above Wall Street estimates. Meanwhile, Constellation Brands is losing ground again this morning after falling 8% yesterday. The wine and spirits maker was downgraded from buy to hold by Citigroup following its disappointing earnings. Another big stock loser yesterday was Metro PCS after its fourth quarter subscriber growth missed expectations. Following that announcement, Origa USA downgraded the stock to hold.
Checking in on commodity prices. Gold is falling again this morning, now well below the $1,400 mark, as rising optimism about the U.S. economy makes the precious metal less attractive as a safe haven investment. But oil prices are rising back around $89 a barrel after a big drop yesterday. Goldman Sachs set a target on crude oil of $100 a barrel by the end of the year. Goldman Sachs is also bullish on stocks in 2011, saying the S&P could jump 18% to 1,500 by the end of the year, and the earnings per share could reach a new high. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic data and market reaction.